Seleku and Samke, they have got their own trip just because Samke she can't join other trip with other wives. You understand? Musamseleku he was spoiling here because it's new love, guys. It's new love. So Samke she have to be spoiled, and Samke she is very young. You understand? I don't understand because Musamseleku he was spoiling Samke, but other wives he says to them they have to cook their own food. You understand? But he doesn't do that to Samke. You understand? I don't understand because guys, when you have a trip, why are you have your own catering? You have your own self catering because maybe they've got children. They don't want to use more money. We understand. We don't understand because guys, Musamselek he was spoiling Samke than other wives. We understand. He doesn't spoil anyone like Samke because Musamseleku was spoiling you guys. It was very romantic. Musamseleku and Samke. Maybe it's new love. You understand? She is a new wife. Maybe she have to be spoiled. And Musamseleku he doesn't want Samke to feel bad because Samke she was not invited at Museleku's birthday. Something. So he wants to spoil her that she can be happy. You understand? We don't know that he is going to introduce some care when we don't know. Because hey guys, those wives nowadays they are very difficult. Some she is going to replace Mangwabe. Maybe she is already replaced Mangwabe because the Mangwabe she is no longer at Museleku's family. You understand? Because Samke now is number 4. You understand? She is number 4. Guys, Samke and Musamselegu, they are a very romantic. Musamselegu, he doesn't spoil with Makumalo with those things. You understand? He doesn't spoil you even one day because guys, it's hate you are seeing your husband is spoiling another woman with something he didn't spoil you with. You understand? Because guys, Makumalo, most of the times she is spoiling Musamsele with perfumes, everything. Makumalo, she can do anything to Musamsele, but Musamsele he doesn't spoil Makumalo at the same way he spoiled Samke. You understand? Because sometimes guys, men maybe they look that Samke she is very young or what. You understand? Because guys it's yet and you are watching it on television because it's obvious they are watching that show at television and they saw their husband spoil other women like that. It's very hurt, guys.